So today's Sunday, which means it's Renew Your Spirit Day. Renewing your spirit means a lot of different things to different people. The most important factor of that is that it's the day that you take to build yourself up, to revitalise yourself, to give yourself the strength for the following week. So that's going to look different to you depending on who you are and what you like to do, what stage you are in your life, whether you've got little children, bigger children. It's all about that kind of thing. So for me, I'll tell you a bit about mine, and don't expect yours to look like mine because everybody's different. So I get up, I go to church, I spend some time reflecting on kind of my beliefs and the strength that gives me, and the my relationship with God, and then when we get home after that, I will cook a dinner, and we kind of have family around. We have quite an open door policy here on a Sunday. We have lots of people who come visit with us, and so sometimes we might even have 10 for dinner, which I love. It just makes me so happy to have lots of people in the house, lots of my children's friends and things like that. Even now, when most of my children have moved out, we still end up with lots of people for lunch. My mum often says to me, "Oh, nobody for lunch today," and she's kind of quite shocked when that happens. It doesn't happen very often, but that for me, that's really renewing and special, and I just love to have them around. And then we may watch a movie, we might play a game, we might just sit quietly, I might read a book. I always try and spend some time thinking about kind of what's gone on in the previous week, what I can do next week to make my week maybe better, or kind of what I can repeat because it worked really well, maybe what didn't work and why that didn't work, and I just spend some time kind of going over that. Not long, maybe 10 minutes. It's not a big kind of exercise, but that's it. That's kind of what I do, and then I'll have a bath and maybe an early night and just relax into the week. So some suggestions that you could maybe do would be to take yourself off for a walk, spend a bit of time in nature. I have a friend who loves the sea, so she likes to go and spend some time by the sea, read an improvement book, whatever it is that you choose to do to build yourself up so that you're stronger going into next week, rather than kind of beating yourself down with everything that you didn't do. That's what this day is about. So whatever you choose to do, you have a wonderful Sunday, and let's go into next week stronger.